एवरीवन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू वेरी मच टू ऑल व्यूअर्स। आज मैं थोड़ा प्रोडक्ट से हटकर वीडियो बना रहा हूं जो शायद सभी व्यूअर्स को जरूर देखना चाहिए। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो विच इज मोर डेंजरस, करंट, वोल्टेज और बोथ। समटाइम्स हमको ये पहचानने में दिक्कतें आती है कि जो डेंजरस पार्ट होता है वो करंट होता है, वोल्टेज होता है और दोनों होता है। इसको हम एक एक करके समझते हैं। एक्चुअली बोथ आर डेंजरस, but at some point of the time AC is more dangerous. Means at this stage we can say yes, the AC is more dangerous. The most dangerous of the electrical shock is the basically current, not a voltage. इसको थोड़ा हम डिटेल समझते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस नो अबाउट द व्हाट इज करंट एंड व्हाट इज वोल्टेज। द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्रिएट ए करंट, but it does not happens on its own. It requires the energy. The amount of the energy in each unit of the electrical charge is called the electrical voltage. This is called the voltage. So if we talk about the why the current is more dangerous, let us say the few example. Because of the change of the frequency or because of the RMS voltage, which is AC having the 311 volt AC. So this is number one, the current is more dangerous. The second, basically the second reason is that the Thomas Edison DC to the Tesla has applied the same on animals and they found AC is more dangerous. Let us say the one example, the same like gun basically nothing but a voltage and the bullet is nothing but a current. So this is one of the picture where this is voltage, where they apply the voltage pressure. The pressure will apply to give the voltage, and the flow of this the bullet, the release the bullet from the gun is nothing but a current. So more pressure applied on this gun, more current will flow in terms of the bullet. So if you say the gun is nothing but a voltage and the bullet is nothing but a current, so we can say yes, at this stage current is more dangerous. So why not voltage? Here the another questions, if anybody asks the why not the voltage. So voltage is not produce much effect because of the body resistance, because the voltage जो depend होता है ना, ये more or less the resistance के part पे depend करता है. So we'll see the later state, but the body resistance varies widely from the 1000 ohm to the 1 lakh ohm. So let's take example कि ये कैसे होता है। अगर आपके पास एक टेस्टर होगा, टेस्टर दैट यू हैव सीन, एंड उसको फेज को टेस्ट करने के लिए जो फेज में करंट आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है और वोल्टेज आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, बेसिकली टेस्टर जो होता है ना वो करंट को टेस्ट नहीं करता है, इट इज टेस्ट टू द वोल्टेज कि कितना वोल्टेज है। सो जब भी हम टेस्ट करते हैं वोल्टेज को किसी फेज में डाल के, दैट प्रोड्यूस द एनर्जी वोल्टेज रेंज, इट इज 60 वोल्ट टू द 240 वोल्ट, बट वहां पे कोई करंट नहीं आता है। Although they have the 60 volt to the 240 volt, but there is no current because they have the high resistance value. So at this stage we can say the current is more dangerous. Now the 7 milliampere to the 75 milliampere, that we can say 0.07 ampere to 0.75 ampere or more, the अगर किसी सिस्टम में आता है तो person will get damage or person will get die. In fact the more than or sorry in fact the less than 1000 ohm अगर किसी सिस्टम में है और they apply the 5 volt only, that then also get a shock. So this amount of this small amount of the voltage 5 volt and the resistance is less than 1000, also they can get a shock. इसको थोड़ा सा और हम समझते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में। अगेन if the current is dangerous, अगर करंट डेंजरस है तो क्यों लिखा रहता है यार एक बोर्ड पे, पैनल बोर्ड पे या सम इलेक्ट्रिकल बोर्ड पे, दिस इज वोल्टेज इज डेंजरस। यस, द हाई वोल्टेज इज ऑलवेज डेंजरस। हाई वोल्टेज जहां जहां लिखा रहता है दैट इज ऑलवेज डेंजरस। द वोल्टेज only affect the amount of the current which flow through the human body. So this is a part one. If we talk about this one, the double the voltage, the double the current. If the half the resistance, then again the double the current. So this is one of the relationship of this current, voltage and the resistance. If we talk about this picture, the picture basically clearly say this is a voltage, they push the ampere, they push the current, but there is some foundation to bind up with the resistance. So the bind up the resistance, the current cannot flow even they push in with the high voltage also. Once this is a release at the some amount, again the current or ampere will flow. So the higher voltage is always dangerous, but here the current play the major role in terms of the dangerous the part of the body or dangerous part of the human body. So let us talk about in the previous slide. हमारे previous slide आपने देखा होगा. We found that the electrical shocks are basically depend on the various parameter, but fact is that the electrical shocks are basically depend upon the magnitude of the current and the time duration that gives the combined effect. Means the कितना amount of the current आ रहा है और उसमें कितना टाइम लग रहा है, that gives the combined effect to get a shock. कितना आदमी को कितना ज्यादा शॉक लगेगा और कभी कितने करंट पे जो है ना वो उसकी वो डेंजरस पोजीशन में चला जाएगा. सो बेसिकली शॉक्स आर डिपेंड ऑन द फॉलोइंग फैक्टर्स ऑलवेज: द बॉडी रेसिस्टेंस, the voltage, amount of the current, the path of the current, area of the context, duration of the context, the frequency, and finally overall health of the person and the age. So hope guys, and with the help of these two slides you are clear. Yes, the current is more dangerous, but we never avoid voltage is not dangerous, but higher voltage always dangerous. So in the next video we'll explain differently which is more dangerous, AC current or DC current, with the detail, theory and the practical. Thanks to all and have a great day ahead. Thanks to all guys.